Take it for granted sometimes. I live here. Look at these roads, man. Look at this bike. So how's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You join me on, what day is it? A Tuesday evening. I've literally just got home from work and realised the sun is still out, and why not make the most of it and go for a little ride. So if you're new here, this is a 2014 BMW S1000Rr. I've got a full Akrapovic system, the headers with can. This is the shorty can. It's only stainless, so the headers are stainless. I couldn't be bothered to spend any more money. This system alone, it was in the sale, it was 1,600 quid, usually about 2,100, but I got it reduced to 1,600. I then got done in because I had to pay import tax, which was like 230 quid, so all in I paid over £1,800 for this, but still cheaper than what buy new price would have been, or buy new full price would have been rather, like £2,100. But yeah, it sounds ridiculous. I've mentioned quite a few times before, but when the system went on, the bike was running proper crap. So I had it tuned at Crispy's Motorcycles in Plymouth, and now she's running 203.4 horsepower to the rear wheel, so she's a bit feisty. Proper feisty beast, this thing. Gonna go for some nice little Cornish B-rows today. Also give you an idea of how this thing really sounds at higher RPM as well. I've had a lot of support recently on the recent videos. I've been so slack posting like bike videos, well any videos at all recently to be fair. But I've been a bit more consistent, keeping the Motovlog setup going, get some more videos up for you lot as well. So I'd really appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up, give me a comment down below, and make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. It's so cold this evening. Got my levers on the bottom half, got my long johns underneath, hoodie, t-shirt, jacket, snood, the full shebang. Flipping heck, this bike's loud. This bike is seriously loud, mate. One thing I've noticed, which a lot of you would have noticed as well, obviously. One, people hate loud bikes. If you're not into bikes, you hate them. People shake their head, thinking, what's that racket coming down the road? When in reality, the whole famous statement being, loud pipes save lives. They really do, they actually do. When I first got this bike, obviously it was stock, didn't have an aftermarket exhaust. It still sounded decent, but not brilliant. It wasn't very loud at all, unless you're really screaming. You'd be riding around, whatever, filtering, people wouldn't see you. You get pulled out in front of more often than not. When you've got a loud can on the back, honestly, people hear you before they see you. They're anticipating a bike coming. It is so much safer to have a loud can on a motorcycle, and that is a fact. I don't care what anyone says, that is an absolute fact. People will move out of the way, they'll give you more space, because let's be honest, we're small, we're tiny. Most of the times older bikes have only got one light working at a time, because that's what they used to have. It's like this bike is a perfect example, rather. I can't get my words out today. You're not seen, but you are heard with a loud can, and that's what matters. It's a form of protection, it's a safety measure. So if your missus is saying, nah, you're not allowed that exhaust, tell her, look love, it's safer. I'll work out how I'll set the mic up, but I'll kind of get it like in the rear, underneath the pillion seat, to get like a pure noise, pure sound video. So it's a lot closer to the exhaust without it being in my helmet, basically. Give you a true sound of all the burbles and crackles. Quick shift the noises. I think I just missed my downshift then, yeah I did. Yeah man, this bike sounds insane. I know I keep going on about it, but it really does. I'm not bored of it in the slightest. But it doesn't just sound loud, it actually sounds good. Like the tone is really nice. They got the right idea. See this Cornish scenery? Look how good it is around here. The roads are insane. The roads I'm going to go on in a minute, providing my GoPro doesn't die. The roads are insane. They're like one of the, I think they're in the top 10 best roads in the UK, down the Zena route down here. A lot of the boys I watch on YouTube, Revit Rich is going to be an example. Shout out to you, my boy. You boys live in London, which is sick. The community there is unbelievable, but I think you're missing this. You're missing these roads. Just so many traffic lights and junctions and whatnot in London, in city, you know. City, I don't know. I've not had to do much city riding in my life, if at all, really. But I don't think I'd enjoy it that much. I don't think there'd be any point having a. I don't know. I'm kind of doubting what I'm saying now, but I don't think there'd be much point in me having a 1000cc bike in a city. Where are you going to use it? Bit of gravel on the road there. Look at that. These roads are honestly so good. I take it for granted. This is literally an 8-minute drive from my front door. Got all these lovely twisties with loads of horrible shit in the road. That's the only downside. Might see a tractor now and again, but it's kind of what country riding's all about, isn't it? Lit up with the paint on the road. Look at that view. This is the downside. Tractors coming in and out of fields and putting mud everywhere. Sunset's going to be so nice. Bit of sunset chasing this evening. roads are so cool. There's nothing else like it. I don't know about up country, but like in Cornwall, this is pretty common, but this road in particular, it's so good. On the roads again here. Literally shit as well, literally shit. Look at that. This is literally Cornwall in a nutshell. This is true Cornish heritage right here. It's a bit tight through here sometimes though. Man, this bike's fucking unbelievable. You know what? I'm probably just going to wrap the video up there. Beast. Unreal. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, give me a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts down below. I've got some proper videos soon. I just wanted to make the most of a nice evening. Take it easy. Peace.